all day is the mind. And if you can, when she tells you, when your trainer tells you, please do 10 more push-ups, it's your physical body that is telling you, no, I can't. But if you put your mind to it, 10 push-ups is a joke. So get that mind really, really strong. Motivate yourself. Don't expect others to motivate. Sometimes you need that push, but don't hold on to anyone as a crutch. You have it within you. You have it. So run after your dreams, whatever may be the case. So go out there, everyone. Hyderabad is rocking as always, and I wish every person in Hyderabad to just get fitter and fitter. I just wanted to share this also, that I've joined a gym in my locality, a few gyms in Mumbai. And the personal touch that we have in a lot of places in Hyderabad does not exist. Does not exist. For sure it does not exist. So a lot people like me cannot relate to those places because that personal touch is not there. We did not start fitness because we wanted to be somebody. We started fitness because we wanted to be, I started it because I wanted to be fit. I wanted to do something and do something for someone in front of me. That's how we started, and that's how David started, and that's the right mantra. We might not be where those other gyms are, 10,000 square feet and 20,000 square feet, but they don't even look into your eye when you walk in. So I can just relate to all of you that yes, and being an owner of a gym also, I cannot be part of such places. I just cannot. So therefore I just go to a place where I do my own workout, show off my own exercises. With my little 2 kg dumbbell in a very dainty manner, but still strong. And once again, the secret of your success lies within you. Tap it, grab it, and run with it. Thank you so much, David, for having me here. Thank you so much, members of the media.
I forgot actually to mention that Dinaz has still unchallenged 3 Guinness World Records. It's Guinness World Records is truly world records. And she is unassuming, acts as if she is the lady who lives next door, just cooking food and whatever, but she is, it comes into her mind, like she said, she never stops.
And we never know what I'm up to.
Yes, I have learned that over the years. And I have to also mention that she flew from Bombay to be here. I'm truly honored, and thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much.
Before I forget, I also I wanted to thank Yasmin, one of our old clients also. She was also helpful in getting the chief guest today. So thank you so much, Yasmin. Yasmin, her family, she comes with one daughter and the daughter gets married. Now she comes with another daughter and that daughter is getting married too. Now she's still got another daughter. I guess she will be coming. That's right. Absolutely. So, thank you.
Thank you. First, I would like to seek blessings from Auntie. Your blessings really required. And I'm sure David is really blessed. No doubt he's been so successful with your support and really with all your prayers. I really congratulate David on this occasion of 9th anniversary of Inspire Gym. And hearty congratulations to you and your team. The team really have done a wonderful job in bringing up the institute. This long 9 years, I'm pretty sure, David, it is a testimony that you're doing very well in this field. Of course, in this present day, whether boys or girls, men or women, they undergo a lot of stress, either at home or in the office. For example, if we take IT industry, many people, they have a lot of deadlines to meet, long hours with the computers, and they have hardly any time, they're sedentary life. But really, they require some kind of action. And places like Inspire Gym definitely can promote those kind of things in order to get rid of those kind of things and get rid of the diseases which we can carry without the physical activity, such as hypertension or diabetes and so on and so forth. Most important is what I believe is Padma and Leela, they have already told that the mind. mind is one, which can really make you do wonderful things. Not only to yourself but to others too. It's very important. That's the saying is there that your mind resides in your own body. Yeah, that is, I really truly believe that. With me, it was a very strong choice to be in Inspire. Of course, I lived in United States for about 16 years. After having my first baby, I really became very thin. I would see people so slim, thin, running around, and I would always have a fear that how do I lose my weight? Because carrying extra baggage of weight is, you really get tired too often. So it was a program where you can work and then also work on your body. I joined there, and then when I came back, I didn't know where to go. So I joined the Zaid Patel classes for 1 year or so because I didn't know anywhere else. Later on, when the Inspire opened next door to my house, I would see from my window, wow, today Inspire is there. So now it's like a dream. Today I feel it's completed 9 years, and I've been associated with David and all the trainers, especially Kusum, Dolly and Sangeeta, and Kathleen was there, right? Charmin, and and really it's nice. And Anisha was my batchmate. I did go through the training program. It was really, the first training program. I went through that, and it was a lot of fun. Rather than more than anything, we learned a lot. It was really great, and really, David, this gym is a boom for women. For any curious and who want to be physically fit, and definitely this gym has latest equipment to serve the client's needs, and definitely you have very well trained women, physically strong and thank you.
No. David sir. David sir. Please get close. Yeah, 1 minute. Madam, come this side, madam. Yeah. David sir. Yeah. Madam. Look here. One
I would like to congratulate David and the complete team behind Inspire for completing successful journey of 9 years, which is a commendable job in this competitive world of fitness. Because new challenges are arising every day, run-of-the-mill people are coming, and technology or the experience and the education needed. I mean, they think that fitness is something anybody can do, or exercise is something anybody can prescribe, and also prove for the diet. So there are only few centers in the Hyderabad who provide authentic professional services, keeping in mind the long health benefits of the client rather than quick fixed run-of-the-mill results, which often we see people promoting. More than ever now, exercise and diet are going to be the biggest influencing factors on our health. And the entire world is only focusing on diet and health, exercise for treatment or for the cause of the diseases. We are not afraid of anything else. We are only afraid of certain diseases which are directly linked to diet and exercise. Even your genetics, as she read out, are going to be influenced by the diet and exercise only. If today a pregnant lady is prescribed an exercise, it's because the newborn baby is going to have the lifetime benefit of that exercise. So in utero, the baby is going to get good body composition. Not only later on, you always could know, why do I put on weight? Even if I don't eat, or why do I have this weak legs, or why do I have tummy? Those are all going to be determined when the baby is in utero, and it depends upon what diet the mother is taking and what physical activity the mother is doing.
the exercise can have that long influence on us. And exercise is linked to functional fitness, even how much or how long your brain can be active. That's the biggest benefit. Now, we have a live example here who, as she's known for her laurels, and Dinas, who has been, already everybody has spoken to her. I still remember long back, I think way back, 15 years back, when we were associated, that's one quality I always appreciate. So as Dr. Padma has said, success is with us and the quality of services we provide. And we strongly believe that Inspire is going to be successful ever because of the quality of services which they get. Thank you.
Before we get to the chief guest of today, we have the few special people to honor. People who are driven by passion and commitment. People who have families and go through the same journey as other people. But they choose to make a difference both in their lives and the lives of the women they serve. Each day they wake up and come prepared to enrich the lives of all around. They work hard and even come for refresher programs on holidays. They recognize the need for continuation education and understand the responsibility that they need to shoulder. Yes, it's our trainers. I request Ms. Falak to thank Kusum for her commitment, dedication and hard work.
Thank you.
I request Dr. Aruna to thank Ms. Nazmi for her commitment, dedication and hard work. I request Dr. Padma to thank Sangeeta for her commitment, dedication and hard work. Thank you, ma'am. Administrator for her commitment, dedication and hard work.
One and all, it's a great pleasure to be a part of this event, and I congratulate the entire team of Inspire Fitness Club for successfully completing 9 years of service to women and the community. Let me appreciate for your willingness to take up such an initiative to improving the health condition of today's women. As you all may be aware that health is the most important topic nowadays in the regularly deteriorating environment. It gives the feeling of well-being physically, mentally, spiritually and socially. Everyone's life has been active because of the huge level competition in every field. And women today are no more behind men in any field. As you all know, health is wealth, and physical fitness and healthy diet are very important for a healthy life. And Inspire has taken up this responsibility to ensure that no woman faces any health issues. As our nation is moving tremendously towards development, the role of women has also been increased on a large scale. Women empowerment is a key factor in a nation's development, and empowering women is as important as anything else. And I'm very glad to share the dais with such inspiring women here. So I would like to give this message to all the young girls and ladies to always believe in yourself, know who you are, what you believe in and where you want to go. Above all, be the heroine of your life and not the victim.
for their time and willingness always to support us. We thank the media for their support in our mission. I close by dedicating this event to the many people today who inspire others to be the very best they can be, and to all our elders who by example inspire in all of us important values such as honesty, integrity, fairness and truth. Thank you once again. May God bless all of us.
And the platform. First it is a platform and then it is the information that he keeps sending us to make this place better and better and better. I think thanks once again, Devi. And many more anniversaries to come. And many more bouquets. And bigger and bigger.
Madam.
I was very, determined to win, and I was not expecting a gold medal. It happened. I worked hard a lot for it, and I'm very happy that I can confirm the USA. Don't stop there. People would appreciate whatever you give your best. There's no limit to your best. And we will all be there. I would like to suggest to all the children, especially young girls, to learn some sort of basic self-instincts as it will be very helpful for you. So, and you can move more quickly, more freely and confidently. As you all know, health is a very important topic nowadays, and the regularly video running and reacting, and it's very important for women to become fit and strong.
What to do like
Maintain critical, work on
months, but still glad to be serving people, keeping true to our mission.
What is
The road ahead is to send out messages, trying to get as many women involved in changing their lifestyle, their diet and exercise. Of late, World Health Day and World Diabetes Day only talked about two things: lack of activity and poor diets have caused this diabetic explosion all over India. India is one of the leaders of diabetes in the world, and Andhra Pradesh or Telangana are the leaders in India. Very sad statistics.
Invested in training all these things.
Every day they are also like this being a difficult time. After they do a 5 sessions.